What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, welcome my subscribers, guys. Thank you for following along. Let's go ahead and hop in the daily SPY update. So today was some confirmation here. We had a very good day because yesterday we wasn't 100% sure with that long that wick we had at the top here at the daily, and it pushed back down and I didn't like it, so I wouldn't, you can't really tell. It seems like it could stick around here, but today solidified definitely this candle, which I got pretty excited about a couple of days ago. All this volume, you have a hammer here sitting all over this 20-day moving average and basically bouncing off the support here at 280. So this is very bullish. It's a good look. However, we seem to be approaching this all-time high here, which worries me a little, but the fact that we didn't make any lower, or we didn't make a lower low, we actually have a higher low, and have this candlestick here confirms that there's a good chance we're going to touch this mark again very soon. I mean, even as early as Monday next week, it could fall back down, and it's probably going to come back down to 284. And then attempt this again, and you may see a breakout next week. But it's too early for that. Let's just go ahead and break it down on the hourly here. And as you've seen yesterday, I drew this flag off this jump here. We decided to have this pullback. So I wasn't too sure how this morning was going to, the market was going to react. However, I did want to keep these lines up here just in case. And as you see, this thing did finally break through. Let's go to 15 minutes. That's the 15 minute was the one I was watching it on. It's a little more defined here. And so you had this run up here. The flag is is in a tight channel going down. This is actually a bullish flag, and what you're looking for is a pop of this channel, which happened here, and then a confirmation. This would be where you would have got in here. And then you just had to ride it out. This probably would have scared you depending on what you were playing. If you was playing expiring options, if you're playing expiring options, you probably would have got in here and then rode it to here and got out. But if not, you was definitely looking for this move. And so, well, how far do you expect these moves to go? I mean, it ranges from trader to trader. I wouldn't have measured that gap. I would just measure this here. And that's the kind of move you're expecting. And then if you go somewhere in here and put that, you see where we got that move today on the 15 minutes. So there is your example of a flag and how it works. As you think it's going to go lower and lower and lower, and then finally it does pop that channel and run up to basically the equivalent of this on this end. So great bullish day. Let's check. I didn't check out the volume here. The volume was right at a 50-day average. So nothing too concerning. If it was low volume and it made this move, I'd worry a little. However, the volume was right on the average, so I'm not too concerned with that. The weekly is also very interesting. As we touched that high last week. We had this shooting star here, which could be very bearish, and it did come down. It touches support, and now we have a hammer here, which it's not as strong because it really is not in a downtrend. However, it's more bearish than this sign. So it does look like next week we're going to see a pop of this high, and it's going to reapproach the top of this channel. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that, guys. That is it today. Today is Friday, so I won't be doing another one until Monday. So guys, I enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and if you have any comments or any questions, please comment below. Go ahead and like the video, and if you want to continue to follow along, I try to get these daily updates out every day, job permitting, life permitting. I do work a full-time job, so sometimes I won't be able to get around to it. So if you do want to follow along, go ahead and click that subscribe button and follow suit. So guys, y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will speak to you guys next week. See ya.